Introducing Timely's Total Opening Classic Frame, a revolutionary pre-finished door and frame system that installs in 5 minutes over finished walls and floors. Here's what you'll need to get started: a 6-foot magnetic level, Phillips screwdrivers, electric screw gun, tape measure, pry bar, and safety glasses. Check the rough opening. The opening has to be 1 1/4 inches over in width and 1 inch over in height. Confirm the finished wall size to make certain the frame you're using is correct for this installation. The frame is packaged in 2 boxes, the header in 1 box and the uprights in another. Since Timely's 6-foot 8-inch frames are reversible, the jamb can be flipped end for end to determine proper swing. Sleeve the header over the rough opening. Sleeve the hinge jamb over the wall and bring the header down tight, interlocking the stop in the alignment tab. Try to place the hinge jamb close to the stud. This will allow you more room for adjustment in future steps. Apply the strike jamb. Now pull the header down tight to the strike jamb. The frame should always rest on the finished floor. If the floor is not finished, raise the frame to compensate for floor thickness. Working from the door side, place a level on the header. If your level indicates that the hinge jamb side is higher than the strike jamb, fasten 1 screw in the header over the hinge jamb. Align the corner of the hinge jamb with the corner of the header and fasten at an upwards angle at the top of the hinge jamb to ensure the hinge jamb is snug to the header. If your level indicates that the hinge jamb is lower than the strike jamb, lift the header until it is level and fasten 1 screw in the header over the hinge jamb. Lift the hinge jamb tight to the header. Align the corner of the hinge jamb with the corner of the header and fasten at an upwards angle at the top of the hinge jamb to ensure that the hinge jamb is snug to the header. Plumb the hinge jamb using a 6-foot magnetic level. Check with tape measure from the hinge jamb to the strike jamb at the bottom to be sure the dimension is met. Apply 1 screw to the bottom of the frame. Apply 1 screw at every clip on the hinge jamb of the door side only. The frame must be anchored with 1 fastener at each clip to maintain fire rating requirements. Apply the hinges to the door. Close the door in order to align the frame with the door. Begin with the header using a screwdriver through the alignment slot closest to the strike jamb. Create an equal gap between the top of the door and the header. Fasten the header above the strike jamb and the remainder of the header at every clip on the door side only. Lift the strike jamb tight to the header. Make sure the corners are aligned and fasten at the top of the strike jamb at an upwards angle. Create an equal gap between the door and the frame at the strike location and fasten. Create an equal gap between the door and frame at the bottom of the strike jamb and fasten. Then fasten the remainder of the strike jamb at every clip on the door side only. Once the door side is fastened, fasten the opposite side of the frame. The Timely casing installs and removes easily due to our unique clip design. Our clip holds various casings secure and flush against the wall. Corner alignment pieces are provided with all of our casings to create a tighter miter. If installing the TA10 reinforcement bracket, install it before putting on the casing. Starting with the header first, center the header casing, allowing for equal distance on both ends. Roll the casing over 1 clip toward the door, with the tap of a hand securing the casing on the center clip. Slide both upright casings with miter guard into the header casing. Then anchor the header casing using some rolling motion toward the door. Anchor the upright casing starting at the top. Next, apply the casing to the opposite side. Apply the silencers to the frame. The last thing to do is install our adjustable T-strike. Fasten the C-section to center the adjustment. Close the door, then adjust as necessary. the installation is complete. With Timely, we assure you of a secure, trouble-free installation every time.